Bitcoin. It's the word on everyone's lips, the buzz in every tech forum, the topic of countless debates and discussions. The digital gold rush of the 21st century. From obscure online forums to the front pages of the Wall Street Journal, Bitcoin has made its mark. Bitcoin has captured the world's attention. But what is it about this digital currency that has everyone so captivated? Is it the potential for massive returns? The allure of striking it rich overnight? The promise of a decentralized financial system? A system free from the control of traditional banks and governments? Or maybe it's just the thrill of being part of something new and potentially revolutionary. Whatever the reason, Bitcoin is here to stay. And with its price constantly fluctuating, the excitement never ends. Everyone's wondering, how high can it really go? Could we one day see Bitcoin trading at $250,000 a coin? Or even higher? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the wild world of Bitcoin and explore its potential to reach stratospheric heights. Get ready for a wild ride, because the future of finance is here, and it's evolving faster than ever before. And it's digital, decentralized, and a little bit dangerous, just the way we like it. So stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries and opportunities of this digital phenomenon. The cryptocurrency market is not for the faint of heart. It's a space where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. It's a roller coaster ride of exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows, with every twist and turn bringing new surprises. One minute you're riding high on a wave of green candles, feeling invincible. The next you're clinging on for dear life as the market takes a nosedive, leaving you breathless. But amidst the chaos, one thing is clear. Bitcoin is here to stay. Its presence in the financial world is undeniable and growing stronger. Recent years have seen a surge in interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, with more people than ever before getting involved. Institutional investors, once skeptical, are now dipping their toes into the crypto waters, exploring the potential benefits and risks. Major companies like Tesla and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling a shift in mainstream acceptance. Even your grandma might be asking you about Bitcoin at the next family gathering, curious about this digital gold. This increased adoption and investment have fueled Bitcoin's price volatility, but it's also a sign of growing confidence in its long-term potential. The market is maturing, and with it, the belief in Bitcoin's future. The question is, can this momentum propel Bitcoin to the coveted $250,000 mark? Only time will tell. But the journey promises to be an exciting one. $250,000 per Bitcoin, a staggering figure that captures the imagination. It's a number that makes your head spin, a dream for some, a potential reality for others. A figure that seems ripped straight out of a science fiction novel, yet here we are, contemplating its possibility. But is it really that far-fetched? Could Bitcoin truly reach such heights? To understand Bitcoin's potential, we need to look beyond the hype and examine the fundamental factors driving its value. It's not just about speculation. Bitcoin's limited supply is a key factor in its potential for growth. Unlike traditional currencies, it cannot be printed at will. With only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be mined, scarcity is built into its DNA. This inherent limitation is crucial. This digital scarcity, coupled with growing demand, creates a perfect storm for price appreciation. As more people adopt Bitcoin, its value could soar. Add to that Bitcoin's decentralized nature, its resistance to censorship, and its potential to disrupt traditional finance, and you have a recipe for a financial revolution. It's a new paradigm. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The journey is complex and unpredictable. While the path to $250,000 is paved with potential, it's also riddled with obstacles. Regulatory challenges, market volatility, and technological hurdles all stand in the way. Remember when Wall Street turned its nose up at Bitcoin? Those days are long gone. Today, institutional investors are tripping over themselves to get a piece of the Bitcoin pie. Hedge funds, asset managers, and even pension funds are adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. Why the sudden change of heart? It's simple. FOMO, the fear of missing out. As Bitcoin's price continues to climb, Institutional investors are realizing they can no longer afford to ignore it. They see the potential for massive returns and are eager to capitalize on the crypto craze. This influx of institutional money is a major catalyst for Bitcoin's price growth. But it's not just about the big players. Retail investors, from seasoned traders to everyday folks, are also contributing to the Bitcoin boom. Section 5. Going global. Bitcoin's expanding reach. Bitcoin knows no borders. It's a global currency, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the remote villages of rural India, people are embracing Bitcoin as a way to send and receive money, bypass traditional financial institutions, and protect their savings from inflation. In developing countries, where access to traditional banking services is limited, Bitcoin offers a lifeline. It provides a secure and affordable way to send remittances, make payments, and store value. As more people around the world gain access to the internet and mobile devices, Bitcoin's global reach will only continue to expand. This global adoption is a testament to Bitcoin's power to democratize finance and empower individuals. It's a force to be reckoned with, and it's only getting stronger. Section 6. Bitcoin's Achilles heel: volatility and regulation. Bitcoin's meteoric rise hasn't been without its bumps in the road. Volatility is the name of the game in the crypto world, and Bitcoin is no exception. Its price can swing wildly in a matter of hours, leaving investors both exhilarated and terrified. This volatility stems from a number of factors, including market speculation, regulatory uncertainty, and the relatively small size of the cryptocurrency market. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate Bitcoin, and their decisions could have a major impact on its price. While some investors thrive on volatility, it can be a major deterrent for others. The fear of losing everything overnight is a very real concern, and it's something potential investors need to carefully consider. Section 7. To the moon or bust. Navigating Bitcoin's risks. Investing in Bitcoin is not for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and it's important to understand the risks before you dive in. Volatility, as we've discussed, is a major concern, but it's not the only one. Security is another critical issue. Bitcoin is a digital currency, which means it's vulnerable to hacking and theft. Stories of exchanges being hacked and investors losing their life savings are a stark reminder of the risks involved. Then there's the issue of regulation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to deal with Bitcoin, and their decisions could have a significant impact on its future. It's a wild west out there, and it's important to tread carefully. Section 8. Bitcoin and the future of finance. Despite the risks, Bitcoin is changing the world. It's challenging the very foundations of our financial system, forcing us to rethink how we think about money, value, and trust. Bitcoin's decentralized nature is a direct challenge to the centralized control of traditional financial institutions. It offers an alternative to the current system, one that is more transparent, secure, and accessible. Whether Bitcoin reaches $250,000 or not, its impact on the world is undeniable. It's sparked a revolution in finance, and it's only just getting started. Section 9. A word of caution. Investing wisely in the crypto Wild West. The allure of quick riches can be intoxicating, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies. But before you pour your life savings into Bitcoin, take a deep breath and remember, this is a Wild West. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research, understand the risks, and approach crypto investing with a healthy dose of skepticism. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, the crypto market is still in its infancy. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, and unexpected surprises along the way. Buckle up, hold on tight, and enjoy the ride. Section 10. The Bitcoin verdict. A wild ride to an uncertain future. So, will Bitcoin reach $250,000? The honest answer is, nobody knows. The future of Bitcoin, like the future itself, is uncertain. There are countless factors that could influence its price in the years to come, from technological advancements to government regulation to the whims of the market. But one thing is certain: Bitcoin has ignited a firestorm of innovation and disruption in the world of finance. Whether it reaches the moon or crashes back down to Earth, Bitcoin has already changed the game. And that's something worth paying attention to. And now, let's talk about you, the community. The true power of Bitcoin lies not just in its technology or its market value, but in the people who believe in it and drive it forward. From developers to investors to everyday users, the Bitcoin community is a diverse and vibrant ecosystem that continues to grow and evolve. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, your participation is what keeps this movement alive. By staying informed, sharing knowledge, and engaging in meaningful discussions, you contribute to a future where financial freedom is accessible to all. So, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Together, we can navigate this exciting landscape and shape the financial world of tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.